Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to subscribe my channel, I'm Male Geoffrey. So today we're going to revise Maths Paper 1 2025. Paper 1. So this was internal. So this past paper was internal. So we're going to revise from question number 1 to question number 9. So remember, this is paper 1. A calculator is not allowed, and you need to be fast. Mathematics paper 1, duration time it is 2 hours. So you need to be fast. So let's start. Please follow me closely. So let's start. Question number 1. Simplify 3 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket negative 2x close open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. So let's start now. X plus 3 close bracket negative 2x open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. So this question carries 2 marks. So we're going to deal with the brackets. Like the board master says, first deal with the brackets. So we're going to deal with the brackets. So 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x. So 3 multiplied by 3, which is positive 9. So negative 2 multiplied by x, which is negative 2x squared. So negative 2x multiplied by negative 1, which will give us positive 2x. So we're going to collect the right term together. So 3x plus 2x plus 9 plus negative 2x squared. So 3 plus 2, which is 5x. So plus 9 minus 2x. So we're going to make the coefficients of x squared. We are going to start with the coefficients of x squared. So negative 2x squared, and then the coefficient of x is 5x plus a constant, which is 9. So here we have simplify this question. If you want, you can go further by finding the product, sum, and factors. So here we are going to end here. So remember, this is paper 1, you need to be fast. So if you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed. Question number 2. Evaluate 4 power half multiplied by 4. So we're going to write like this: 4 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. So if you have been given here 4 and then power half, or any half or quarter, it can be quarter or 3 over 3. You need to do like this. So we are going to multiply 4 power 1, which is 4, divided by the denominator, which is 2, multiplied by 4. So 4 divided by 2, which is 2, multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number 3. Factorize completely 3a minus c, 3ba plus bc. So here we're going to use grouping method. So let's write it down here first. So first we need to collect the letters and numbers to write them together. So we're going to write 3. So we're going to pick the number or letter which we can find a. So it is negative 3a b, and then negative c, and then plus b c. So we're going to use grouping method by introducing 2 brackets. So here we're going to factorize it. So which number here in this bracket is common? So number or letter, so it is 3a. We have 3a, then we have a. So 3a into 3a, which we are going to name it on with 1. So negative. So 3a into 3a, we're going to name with b. So here the number which is common, you need to find the number or letter which is small. So we're going to pick the negative c, which is small. If you put positive c, it is bigger than negative c. So we're going to put the lowest letter or number, so which is negative c, open bracket, c into c, negative c into negative c, which is positive 1. So negative multiplied by negative, which is, or negative multiplied by positive, which is negative. So negative c into, so the c into c, we're going to cancel, we're going to make on with b. So we're going to pick the number which we use to factorize. So we're going to write 3a minus c in each bracket, and then the other bracket we're going to put 1 minus b. You can either get this one or this one. So negative 1 minus b, negative 1 minus b. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So this is question number 4. Shade the shaded area, I think here. Shade a complement intersection b. So intersection open bracket b, intersection c close bracket. On the diagram in the answer space below. So you need to shade this which you have been given. You are going to answer in this set. So we're going to, you need first to know complement means what. So complement means not, and the intersection means the number or letter at the center. So intersection, which is at the center, and then union means all. So here we're going to exclude a complement. So a complement means a, it has been excluded. So we're going to shade the region b intersection c. So b intersection c, it is here. B intersection c is here. So this is B intersection c. So this is the region we have shaded the region. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed. Question number 5. Solve the equation x minus 1 close bracket power 2 minus 25 is to 0. So this question carries 2 marks. So first we write it down here: x minus 1 close bracket, power 2 minus 25 is equal to 0. So we're going to correlate the like term together. So we're going to write x minus 1 power 2 is equal to 0. So if I equal 5, to across the equal sign to have a positive sign. So x minus 1 is equal to 25. So we're going to introduce the square root to cancel the power to the both sides. So we're going, even to 25, we're going to write the square root. So x minus 1 is equal to, so square root of 25, which is 5. So square root is either positive or negative. So here we're going to write either x minus 1 is equal to 5. We're going to pick the positive here, or x minus 1 is equal to negative 5. So we're going to collect the right term together. So x is equal to 5. So when you negative, just cross the equal sign to have a positive sign. So positive 1. So x is equal to 6. So this is the first answer. Then the second answer, we're going to collect the right term together. So now, so x is equal to negative 5. So when you, any number later, just cross the equal sign to change the sign. So here to the negative, it will be a positive 1. So x is equal to negative 4, negative 5 plus 1. We're going to subtract, which is negative 4. So therefore, x is equal to 6, or x is equal to negative 4. So if you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number 6. In the following diagram, P is the point 0, 4, and Q is the point, sorry, I made a mistake. So now, I think at Q the point is 0, 4, and then O is the origin. So I think here Q is negative 4. So Q is negative 4, 0, and then P, which is 0, 4. Okay. I think I'll make a correction here. And then question 3 is find the equation of the straight line through or which is perpendicular to the line PQ, which is perpendicular to the line PQ. So this is y-axis and then this is x-axis. So you are going to find first the gradient. So gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So gradient is equal to so y2. So here we have P, which is 0, 4. Then Q, it is negative 4, 0. So this is y1, y2, x2, x1. So y, so it is 0 minus y1, which is 4, divided by x2, which is negative 4, minus x1, which is 0. So gradient is equal to 0 minus 4, which is negative 4, divided by, so negative 4 subtracted by negative 0, which is negative 4. So gradient is equal to, so here we're going to cancel here, which the gradient it is 1. So this is the gradient. So we're going to write the formula y is equal to mx plus c. So gradient it is in, so we're going to first find the constant value. So y it is 4. So y it is 4 is equal to gradient, which is 1. So x we're going to put 0 plus c. So 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 0, which is 0 plus c. So we're going to call the right term together. So 4 minus 0, which is same as 4. So this is a constant. So we're going to write y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to gradient we have found, which is 1. So we're going to write x plus 4. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So this question here, I'm not sure here. Maybe I make a mistake on writing the points here. If I'm wrong, please click on the comment box. Okay, let's proceed to question number 7. Given that A is this, and then B is this, then C is this, find the transpose of A. So here the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, negative 5, 4, 7. So we're going to write the transpose of A, which we're going to change the law, will become column. So here we're going to write 1, negative 5, then 2, 4, then 3, 7. So I will transpose, or make a transpose of A. So let's proceed to question number B. Find the matrix BC. So B, it is negative 2, 4, then C, which is, so this is B. So C, it is 3, 1. So you need first to find the order of this matrix. So this is 2 by, so this is 1 by 2, and then this one is 2 by 1. So we're going to cancel the numbers here, 2 here. We're going to remove this. So the answer that the correct answer will give us 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So let's start. So BC, so BC is equal to negative 2 multiplied by 3, which is negative 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 1. So 4 multiplied by 1. So BC is equal to negative 2 multiplied by 3, which is negative 6 plus 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4. So we're going to subtract here. BC is equal to negative 4 minus, so 4 minus C, 6 minus 4, which is 2. So it is negative 2. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment below. So let's proceed to question number 8. If P open bracket 1, 3, 5, 7. P union Q it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And P intersection Q it is 5, 7. List Q, so we need to list the letters which were in set Q. So we need first to lie like this. So P, only P was the numbers which was in P were 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is the data. So P union C means the numbers which were found in both Q and P. It was these numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and then P intersection Q, the numbers which were found in both P and Q were 5, 7. So we need to list the Q. So we need the numbers which were in Q. So we need to find this. So P. So here we are going to cancel from this union. So union means also we are going to cancel the number which we are found in the box. So we are going to like this. So 3, 1, we are going to cancel 1. We are going to cancel 3. So we are going to cancel 3. And then we are going to cancel 5. We are going to cancel 7. So we are going to like this. So the number which are remaining is 2, 4, so and then we are going to pick the numbers which were found in the board P and Q, which were 5, 6, 7. So this is the answer. If you look here, the number which were found in intersection, it was 5 and 7. And then this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number 8B. A village banking cooperative for women declared a dividend at the end of the financial year. What was the dividend per share if Mrs. Spencer, who owns 1,025 shares, received 22,050? So this is the current. So I don't know the symbol for this current. So this question carries 2 marks. So we're going to write 1,225 shares. And then she received 2,050 R. So I will need to find the amount which she bought 1 share. So I need to find a dividend here. So we're going to write 1 share is equal to X. So we're going to write 25. So 1025 over 1 multiplied by 2, 2050 over X. So we're going to multiply here. So cross multiplication, X multiplied by this one is 10. 25, X is equal to 2050 over 1025 over 1025. So X is equal to, so this number it goes 2 times, so it's 2,000. So the dividend, therefore, dividend per share is 2 R. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So let's proceed to question number 9. Given that 7, 11, 15, 19 is an arithmetic progression, find the 10th term. So 10th term, we need first to find the common difference. So term 2 minus term 1. So this is the formula to find the common difference. So D is equal to term 2, which is 11 minus 7. So D is equal to 11 minus 7, which is 3. So let's write the formula. A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket. So term number 10 is equal to first term, it is 7 plus open bracket term number 10 minus 1 close bracket, common difference, which is 3. So term number 10 is equal to 7 plus 10 minus 1, which is 9 close bracket 3. So term number 10 is equal to 7 plus 3 multiplied by 9, which is 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 7, which is 4. I made a mistake here. So it is so we're going to multiply 9 multiplied by 4, which is 36. So term number 10 is equal to 36 plus 7, which is 43. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So question number 9B. Find the sum of the first 12 terms. So we're going to write the formula. 10 over 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 d close bracket. So sum number 12 is equal to 12 divided by 2. So the first term, which is 7. So the first term is 7 plus sum number 12 minus 1 close bracket d. So d it is 4. So 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So 2 multiplied by 7, which is 14 plus so 12 minus 1, which is 11. 11 multiplied by 4, which is 44. So 6 open bracket 4, 14 plus 44. So 44 plus 14, which is 8, which is, you are going to write 8, so it is 58. So 58 multiplied by 6. So 58 multiplied by 6, so this multiplied by 5 is 42. So 6 which is 42, which is 48. Following on, so 6 multiplied by 5, which is 30, which is 34. So sum number 12 is equal to 348. So this is the answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment box. So question number 10a, the probability that a learner will not miss the school bus on any particular day is 1/8. So what is the probability that the learner will miss the school bus on any particular day? So there it is, school. So school bus on any particular. So we're going to write this simple formula. So we're going to write probability that the learner will not miss. So we're going to write not miss plus probability of miss the bus is equal to 1. So the probability, it is always less than 1. So if you find the probability is 1, the answer is long. So we're going to write, so the probability that the learner will not miss the school bus on that day, it is which was given 1/8 plus probability of miss we don't have. So we're going to find, so is equal to 1. So we're going to correlate them together. So P, so the probability of miss the bus is equal to 1 minus 1/8. We're going to put 1. We're going to find the common denominator, which is 8. So probability of miss is equal to, so 8, it is common. So A1 into 8, which is 8 multiplied by 1, which is 8, minus 8 into 1 into 8, which is 1, multiplied by 1, which is 1. So 8 minus 1, which is 7/8. So this is the answer. So therefore, the probability that a learner will miss the school bus is 1/8. So this is the final answer. If you haven't understood, please, sorry, it is 7/8. So this is the answer, which is 7/8. If you haven't understood, please click on the comments box. So remember to subscribe, like, and share. So every week I will be uploading 3 or 4 videos. So I'm going to teaching you mathematics and sciences. So bye.